I took real Python job postings from an official government portal, no guesses, no hype, and calculated what developers in Russia actually earn. The breakdown by experience surprised me. We create a file called collect.py and write the data collection in it. We don't scrape websites. We use the official open API of the Trudvsem portal, which is both legal and stable. In the request, we pass what exactly we're searching for and how many vacancies we want at once, and we politely identify ourselves in the header. After the response, we always check that the server didn't return an error. Only then do we take the result, up to 100 vacancies with all the fields, title, region, experience, and the salary range. Still in the same file, collect.py, we add cleaning, continuing the same code. Real data is always messy. Very often the salary is 0, which actually means not specified, and you must not count those as 0 rubles. So we take the middle of the range and drop the empty ones. Now we create a new file, analyze.py, and bring in pandas. We group the vacancies by experience and take the median, not the average. A single 400,000 outlier shouldn't skew the whole picture. The median shows the typical salary honestly. And here's the result on real data. Juniors and developers with up to 3 years of experience earn about the same, around 80,000 rubles. But after 4 years, the salary jumps 2.5 times, to 200,000 and beyond. The market median is 85,000, and the ceiling in our sample is 400,000 rubles. The full collection and analysis code is in the description. Run it on fresh vacancies and check for yourself. Which profession should I break down by the data next? Tell me in the comments and subscribe.